One of the questions that people ask when they are filling their Google AdSense form, particularly when they are trying to get their monetization, is please, what is a suburb? A suburb is, you see that in the column of your address where you are filling your address information. A suburb is basically a town that is in the area where you live, a town that is near your address, right? So if you are living in close to a city or there's a town, then the suburb is that town. For example, you live at maybe number 64 Victoria Street in Ojota. The suburb of that your address, that town is Ojota. So in that suburb part, you put Ojota. Basically, that is just the suburb area. I think I've been able to answer that question. If you need further clarity on it, you can leave that in the comment section, because I've seen a lot of people asking that question of what is suburb on Google AdSense. When you're filling your Google AdSense form, it's basically your town, a town settlement, where you live, that it's easy for people to locate you. It is usually a guide to help locate or distinguish your address. It's like it makes it easier for people to locate you, and the reason is because Google are going to send a letter to you in that your address, so it will be easy for the post office or the postman that is coming to deliver the letter to know exactly where you are located, right? So basically, that is the answer of a suburb when you are filling your Google AdSense account.